At Kallipr, we're experts in remote monitoring. We build scalable IoT solutions from the ground up, from hardware to software. And these solutions have been deployed with some of the world's largest utilities to enable the proactive management of aging infrastructure, increasingly stringent regulations, and legacy monitoring systems. Our expertise ensures that installations are faster, truck rolls are reduced, maintenance is cheaper, safety is increased, and most of all, that operations are more efficient. Leveraging the best IoT battery on the market in our Captis hardware ensures that sensors from around the globe designed for a huge range of use cases can be utilised for well over 10 years. From air quality to temperature and pressure, even to radar technology for velocity and flow, these solutions can all be deployed in harsh environments like sewer networks to monitor things like flow events and network health metrics. That data is then sent back to the cloud in near real time for active insights with architecture options that suit your needs. We leverage world-leading technology to solve customer problems.